So how to add baggage to your Ryanair flight. So to go ahead and add baggage to your Ryanair flight, it's very simple to do, and you can do it on the Ryanair app and also on the website as well. So I'll leave a link below for both the Ryanair app as well as the website. So to show you on the app, you just want to go ahead and download the Ryanair app if you haven't done so already, and you simply just want to log in. Then once you've logged in, it should bring you to your home page here, and as you can see in our example, we've got an upcoming flight from Stansted to Milan. So you should see your upcoming flight here, but if you have multiple Ryanair bookings and you can't see the Ryanair flight that you want to add baggage to, you can also select bookings right here, and then it will show you all the flights on your Ryanair account. So for the example of this video, let's say we want to get baggage for our Milan flight, so we'll just go ahead and select it. Then once you've done that, it will bring you through to this page here, and you simply just want to click on Manage Booking. Then once you've selected Manage Booking, you simply just want to select Add Extras, and then once you've done that, select Add Bags. Then once you've done that, it will bring you through to this page here, and it will then provide a breakdown of the different types of baggage you can get. So obviously hand luggage will already be included, but you can get check-in luggage starting at 10 kilos all the way up to 23. So you'll just want to go ahead and select the right one for you. So for the example of this video, let's say we want to get 20 kg. Then once you've selected that, it will then bring you through to this page here, and at the bottom it will then tell you how much that's going to cost. So because this is a return flight and it costs £39.99, it times that by 2, so it comes out at £79.98. So if you're happy with that, you can go ahead and press this plus section and then select Add to Trip. Then once you've done that, it'll bring you through to this preview section here, and you should see the luggage you want ticked like this. So if you want to go ahead and book it, click Continue, and it will then pull you to this page here, where you can then go ahead and select Pay Now to make the purchase. And then from there, you just want to enter your payment details, click Pay Now, and you should receive an updated email with the added bags that you've just purchased. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.